Mobilizing Agile Teams Framework explained. The Mobilizing Agile Teams Framework consists of 6 core topics and is the second in a 3-stage process designed to create an agile organizational capability. The framework has been designed to guide newly formed agile teams through the adoption of agile ways of working as they focus on meeting a small number of business goals. Their ability to show they can create business value demonstrates they have developed the necessary agile know-how and confidence within just 90 days. The framework consists of 6 sprints of 2 weeks, each focusing on a number of specific core agile team mobilization goals. The Sprint 0 goal calls for the newly appointed agile team to complete 4 activities. Everyone that is required to meet the main project goals has been appointed to the team at kickoff. The team has defined its own team norms, i.e. ways of working, and chosen a suitable process methodology. Established a rhythm of agile ceremonies that encourage face-to-face communication. Reached agreement with their stakeholder, their high-level objectives and key results. Sprint 1 planning. To ensure the effective review and approval of their operational plans, the team has defined a suitable risk and escalation process. The team has documented the definitions for the stages of their activity board. To ensure effective stakeholder engagement, they have been categorized by role, i.e. customer, consumer, catalyst, user, or contributor. Sprint 2 ceremonies. By the end of the second sprint, the 5 core agile ceremonies should have been established. Regular refinement of the product backlog, complete with an initial prioritization exercise. Planning sessions result in the clear definition of goals following an assessment of the resources available and current performance. Daily stand-ups remain focused on the 3 topics and do not spill over to discuss topics at length. Each working cycle concludes with a stakeholder review where clear and honest feedback is gathered on work achieved to date. This is then followed by a retrospective that aims to evaluate performance and to support a self-reflecting assessment of how the team can improve or share emerging good practice. Sprint 3 reporting. At the midway point, the team should be generating a wealth of information about their performance and the value they're creating. This information should be clearly presented using a number of information radiators that encourage their stakeholders to come to the work to learn more about the team's operational performance. Furthermore, an insight into the team's velocity is being used to improve their requirement management lifecycle and their operational throughput forecast. Sprint 4 communities. As the team's experience grows with each iteration or project milestone, their knowledge increases exponentially. By the end of Sprint 4, the team should have established an effective way to communicate and collaborate with other teams and interested parties. This includes individual team members are engaging with their own associated community of practices. The team is working with the Agile Center of Excellence to bring to their attention any potential good practices. Sprint 5 self-organizing. As the Agile teams reaches the 90th day milestone, they will have demonstrated it has the right resources on the team. It has the ability to adopt agile ways of working to effectively meet its objectives. It has the confidence to take some key decisions on its own. Therefore, as it approaches the start of the second quarter of operation, it can choose to proceed without ongoing external support. By following these activities distributed across the 6 sprints, which were identified whilst supporting a number of agile transformations over the past 15 years, we are confident they'll help you effectively mobilize your agile teams. We hope you have found this learning activity helpful. Thank you for watching.